Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Yumir Felix de los Santos Marshall.
Welcome to the ring. Bienvenidos, Eddie el Terrible Colmenares.
Yung mga tol, isa na namang malupit na laban ang aabangan ng buong Pilipinas. Ang pagbabalik ng tinaguriang Canelo Alvarez ng Pilipinas. Siya ang halimaw mula Zamboanga, Mindanao. Ang undefeated Pinoy warrior, Eumir Marcial, pinag-uusapan ngayong sa middleweight division gamit ang lakas na parang pinagsamang kanan at kaliwa ni Manny Pacquiao. Kasi mga tol, bawat suntok niya, bulagta agad ang mga tinatamaan. Southpaw tong si Marcial, may 6 ang panalo sa pro boxing, 4 na knockouts, at sa amateur pa lang, grabe. 72 panalo, 26 na knockouts. Olympic medalist, Asian Games medalist, kumpletos recados, mga tol. Ngayon, nakabase na siya sa Amerika, grind mode araw-araw, puro training. Sabi nga ng mga eksperto, pag nag-full-time ito sa pro boxing, kayang umabot ng 30 wins o 30 knockouts na walang talo. At ngayong October 29, 2025, sa Thrilla in Manila 50th anniversary event sa Araneta Coliseum, lalaban si Marcial para sa WBC International Middleweight title. Ang makakatapat niya, isang certified knockout machine mula Venezuela. Eddie Colmenares, may 11 panalo, lahat knockout. 100% knockout rate.
1 y 8 knockouts. ¡Buena derecha! ¡Ganadona! ¡Hernández!
Isang WBC Latino champion, dating Venezuelan champion. Matangkad, malakas, at gutom sa panalo. Hindi basta kalaban ito. Pero bago yung bakbakan na yan, balikan muna natin kung gaano kalakas ang halimaw na Pinoy. Yung laban niya kontra sa Thai knockout artist, Tuedsak Sinam, may 24 na panalo, 20 knockouts, at galing pa sa 5 sunod-sunod na knockout na panalo. Pagpasok ng round 1, parehong nag-aantay ng tiyempo. Ramdam mo agad ang tension, bigat ng suntok, parang barilan ng kamao.
I didn't see him in live, man. Because most of the fight, the size of Marcial.
Wins and 21 losses as an amateur.
Alam mo, nung Tokyo Olympics kinita na parang...
You know, we were talking about how Sinam looks like he's 175 pounds, but he looks like he's 175 pounds. But you take a look at the...
Round 2, pumasok ang malinis na pinakawalang ni Marcial. Diretso sa bodega. Kitang-kita mo, nasaktan ang Thai champion. Pero matigas din si Sinam. Gusto pang lumaban.
And they're going to be good ones. They're going to be good fights. Now you also notice that a change of power shots here by Yumir Marcial. He's throwing ang nararamdaman mo, mas mariin ngayon.
Alam mo, I'm sure naman the Thai knows the credentials nitong si... Unschooled some of his repertoire is picking his location. I'll look at by the Thai, however, raising the chin.
Hindi malaman ni Sinam kung saan nagagaling ang mga sakot. He's not rushing, please.
He's turning.
Oh, in that situation, ordinarily you would attack your opponent and try to finish.
Sumabog ang aksyon sa bawat palitan. Gusto nilang tapusin agad ang laban.
See what's happening here. That left on the cheek. Design.
Tutulis ang jab ni Yumir Marshall sa right hand. Is jab ni Yumir Marshall sa right hand. Is actually through that defense ni Sinam. Dapat kumatakas si Yumir sa katawan. Was a shot to the side of the body na hihintay natin. And another one is going through the defense ni Sinam. After Yumir hits him with a right to the side of the body.
Bumababa yung kamay.
Exactly. To defend the side of the body, bumugbuka yung kanyang depensa, and that exposes his face for a left hook ni Yumir Marshall. Marshall ang kanyang kalaban. Fighting at the points.
Pagdating ng round 4, ito na mga tol, pinakawalan na ng halimaw ng Mindanao ang kanyang bangis.
It depends on what condition you'll be in after this fight. He might just go straight to maybe a hospital, depending on how much punishment he takes. You can see that he's ready. But the big challenge for Yumir is how to bring up his power and speed to a much higher weight category.
Hindi na malayo yung Olympics na July na ho, di ba?
He weighed 100.
4 months ago.
Yes,
4 months away na yan.
He weighed 165 pounds for this. And in the Olympics, the weight limit is 176.4. That's a lot of weight that he needs to put on. You cannot put on body fat. You can only put on muscle for you to be able to keep. Yumir Marshall.
Mula sa kaliwat kanang kombinasyon ni Marshall, bagsak si Sinam na parang tinumbang poste. Hindi makatayo, kailangan pang tulungan ng referee, diretso ospital. Ang panalong ito ay pinag-usapan, yun sa buong middleweight division. Kaya ngayon sa pinakita ni Yumir Marshall, pwede na ba siya maging world champion? Ilagay nyo sa baba mga tol kung anong tingin nyo at huwag kalimutan isama kung taga saan kayo. Gusto naming makita hanggang saan umaabot ang suporta ng mga Pinoy para sa laban ni Marshall kontra Eddie Colmenares, October 29, 2025 sa Araneta Coliseum.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.